This review is of Magnolia Bakery Cupcake Assortment. One chocolate cupcake with chocolate buttercream and one vanilla cupcake with pink vanilla buttercream. Make today sweeter than yesterday. Yeah, well, you don't want to do that with sugar. That's a bad idea. It is Parav. They are also vegetarian, not vegan, because they have eggs and milk in them. The nutrition facts for the vanilla cupcake are 17 grams of fat, of which 10 are saturated, half a gram of trans fat. Oh, absolutely glorious. It's probably closer to 1. And it's 45 milligrams of cholesterol, 85 milligrams of sodium, 6 grams of carbs, of which none are fiber, 45 are sugars, of which 44 are added, and 2 grams of protein. And these are the ingredients. How they managed to get that much trans fat into this product, I don't know, but lots of dairy in this. Try to see if I can identify what's got that in it. Daisy Decon. The heck is sugar, egg white solids, modified? I don't know what that is. Okay, well, there are lots of things in this that I don't know. I don't know what it specifically has got. The well, anyways, the chocolate cupcakes have got 22 grams of fat, of which 12 are saturated, half a gram of trans fat, 50 milligrams of cholesterol, 260 milligrams of sodium, 50 grams of carbs, of which 3 are dietary fiber, 40 are sugars, of which 39 are added, and 4 grams of protein. So again, and even longer, the longer a list of food for a food is, the less likely that it is natural and healthful. Good golly. And there's an awful lot of stuff in this one. Well, I really don't understand why they need to have so much crap in this. It just doesn't compute to me. But let's find out what it tastes like. All right. So the first thing I need to do is get some lactase to help protect me from these monstrosities. Okay. We'll start with the vanilla cupcake, which has a daisy candy embedded in the frosting there, as well as a little other things. And it's white cake. You know, there's so much buttercream that, which is smooth. You know, I like that because usually buttercream has got a lot of crunchiness from the sugar in it, and they either mixed it very well, or more likely, they use confectioner's sugar or powdered sugar and mix that in with the other ingredients. That's why this is fairly smooth. Not 100% smooth, but much smoother than usual. I'm not a big fan of buttercream, but this is not bad. Vanilla, not necessarily. Kids are going to love this. But that said, because there are trans fats in this, and trans fats are bad for you, this is like going to a fast food restaurant and ordering French fries that have been deep fried in oil that has been used 1,000 times already. There's lots of trans fats, so you shouldn't be getting French fries at a restaurant that is deep frying them instead of baking them or air frying them. And you should not also to anything else that's going to compromise your health. I mean, we just, here in America, people seem to have really lost touch with what is supposed to be considered a once in a great while kind of treat thing, and what is supposed to be considered normal daily food. We've gone, and I think that's because of affluence, because of the accessibility to foods that are based on crops that are subsidized by the government, to the point that companies get rich off of them, and we pay for them as taxpayers, and we pay for them with our lives because it destroys our health, like corn. So we have completely forgotten, but I am digressing. I should probably make my own separate video about this topic, for which I'm very passionate. Here's the chocolate one. I think the best cupcake I ever had in my life was, probably, my mom used to make this chocolate cupcake that had a dollop of cream cheese with chocolate chips embedded in the middle. And that was so nice. So enjoyable. Between the two of them, I like the chocolate one better. It does have a chocolatey flavor. And kids are going to go crazy for it. Got a bit of a milky flavor to it. Now, these have, I think both of them have sour cream in them, if I remember correctly. Or at the very least, the vanilla one has sour cream. Let me just double check here. Okay, I was wrong. So the vanilla cupcake has sour cream in it. The chocolate one does not. And I was correct that it was not made with sugar. The frosting was not made with sugar. It was made with powdered sugar. Also, both of them have a lot of different colorants in them. So like the white one has got yellow number 5, red number 3, red number 40, yellow number 5 again, blue number 1. And the chocolate one, and these are from the candies, I'm pretty sure, has got yellow number 5, red number 3, yellow number 6, and blue number 1 in it. So basically the same thing. We also have got in the chocolate one cellulose gum, so you can, and carrageenan, which you cannot digest, and maltodextrin, which is low on the list, so there's not much of it. But between that and all of the sources of sugar and starch that will quickly convert into sugar, you're going to get a sugar spike in your bloodstream. And then the vanilla one, does not have any of that. That's interesting, except for vegetable gum. And I'm not sure what vegetable gum was made of. So, yeah. Taste-wise, they're not bad. I'll give them a 6. But given the amount of trans fats in these, this is not something that should be sold. I mean, my understanding is there's not supposed to be this much trans fat in food, and I don't recommend any brand that's going to deliberately introduce trans fats into their food. So Magnolia, I really hope that you will get rid of the source of trans fats in these products of yours. You know, the batter for both the chocolate and vanilla cupcakes is just standard batter. There's nothing special about it. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.